Shine Circle Time activities. Your Kaplan technology device came preloaded with our Shine Circle Time activities. These are math activities that align with the Head Start framework and are built around common classroom themes. They are animals, colors, community, family, fruits, transportation, and weather. Let's take a look at community. As you can see, there are 5 strands of activities under each theme: counting, geometry, graphing, measure, and patterns. Every theme has these same strands, but they each are presented in a slightly different way. Let's take a look at counting. Simply match the cards that have the same number of characters in them. When I finish, I can choose play again or go home. Geometry. I match the signs to the correct shape. If I place one incorrectly, I am gently redirected. In graphing, we poll the children about their favorite community worker. Simply tap the workers and they will jump to the graph. Make a mistake or change your mind, tap to remove from the graph. When finished, tap the X in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to go home. For measure, we are asked to decide which object is taller, longer, shorter, etc. If an incorrect selection is made, the child is told to try again. It's friendly redirection. In other themes, children will use non-standard units of measure in this strand. Under patterns, we are matching community workers to the items they use. In some themes, children will complete patterns or use a calendar. This happens in the weather theme. Please note, to close these activities completely, you must use the X in the upper left-hand corner of the home screen. Swiping from the top to bottom will not close these applications.